like all of it. Because no one breaks the law for content. And I'm out here molesting people against their will.
You called me Karen.
I love you.
Yeah. I think the greatest manipulation advice I've ever given is just not even manipulation. It's slow down sexual escalation. Trip her up, slow her down, mwah, mwah. Change the channel, mwah, mwah. Slow. Every time you slow her down, she goes faster. And the hard part is that you want to go faster and you always give in. Don't, my nigga. You know how many times I'm making out, I'm getting head, and I just light a cigarette and they feel like my dog? Like they go like this. You're lighting a cigarette? And I'd be like this. Huh. No sound. As in, you're sucking. You're a dog.
No, you don't, Danny. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I love you, Karen.
Okay, let's get a grip here.
Actually, this is so good. Women are in tune with everyone in the room's emotions, except their crushes. Have you noticed that? The one guy in the room they cannot read is their crush. Do you get what she's saying here? Think for a second. When 4 guys surround a girl at the freaking bar or at a house party, and she's staring at the one guy on the couch that's on his phone ignoring her, she cannot read him. She's read everyone else. You understand? What's the greatest way to be a mystery and never be read by a woman is to be successful. It's so hard to focus on what she's saying when I'm looking at my Coinbase. It's so hard for me to plot out my future when she's talking. Hey man, chill out. You understand? There's nothing more attractive to them than I don't know what my man is thinking. Please show me some emotion. No.
You're all that I think about.
No.
I've been in love with you.
What? No, that's not what this
years
is. No.
now. Yeah.
No.
I'll leave the academy. We can find a place to live in the city.
What?
What?
Danny, that's not what this is. This is not love.
How many of you have played Rust with your crush and you've held a stone for 8 hours straight and then she's having a blast with you, she's giggling, you guys are doing everything correct, and then she says, oh, I gotta go, it's 9 o'clock. And you go, oh, okay. And she turns off the Discord call and she's offline. Yeah, she's getting like that. She's getting railed by a dude who thinks Rust is talking about her. The guy who doesn't know what Rust is railing her. She's embarrassed to tell him she plays the game. You understand how the real world works? Stop it. If you ever find yourself chilling with a girl for hours and hours and hours, you're never gonna touch her. This is how all my phone calls used to be when I was trying to get a girl. She'd be like, hey, do you want a game? I go, oh no, I gotta do shit. And I turn it off. Hey, you want a game? No, I gotta do shit. You never want a game with me. No, I gotta do shit. Right? Hey, do you wanna go watch a movie? Okay. But you said you're busy. No, I'm gonna cancel for you. Do you see? I will only reward date behavior. I'm not gonna reward friendship behavior. That's not healthy, dude. And if she's flirting with you because she's your friend, it means you might get her, but you're gonna be the last on the list, that you're on the waiting list. So if it doesn't work out with this guy, she'll go back to you.
Not going any further.
What? I thought we just had...
We had a really great time. We did. It was really, really great, okay? And it was something that we both wanted and needed. Maybe, I don't... Hey, you are great. You're great, sweetie. But it's over.
No,
It's over.
It doesn't have to be.
Yes, it does.
Why?
Remember, chicks don't want romance and flowers unless you are the boyfriend. They want casual. Their dream scenario is to not cringe when you guys are making out. Like in the movies when they make out and laugh. That's how I hook up. That's literally 9,000 of my hookups has been her laughing, me laughing as we're undressing. It's exactly what you gotta do. You guys do the opposite. You try and make it intimate. Don't do that. Mid-movie, just get up and literally say this to her. Let's go. She's where? Get in your car, drive, get some McDonald's, go back. That's the full experience, bro. That way she goes, whoa, he didn't try and lock me up and bang me. Give the fresh air. Just keep lowering anxiety so you can pipe. Because either way you're gonna pipe, but you're gonna pipe in a zero, there's no tenseness, you know? Yeah. Because if she cringed when she piped you even once, you're gonna get blocked, bro.
Because I said so, okay? It's over. Get dressed. Just should leave out the back door, all right? Just lock it behind you like you're the last one that was here, and I'll leave later on.
What is a good strategy or opener for getting a girl from Instagram to hang in real life? The spiz you taught me seals the deal, but spizzing comes off differently in DMs if they don't know me already.
Yeah, women are so stupid that you don't DM her, hey, Stacy, and if you want it to work or have the highest percent chance, react to her story, what she's doing. If she got a Starbucks or she at a restaurant and she posts a photo, you'd be like, yo, what restaurant is that? And they're so stupid, they actually think you're asking about a restaurant every single time. And it makes you look social, like you go to restaurants, like you give a f about that shit.
Just get in your car and you drive home. Call in sick tomorrow, though. Don't turn back, just go.
You did nothing, and you're pretending you did something like you ran errands and
I very much went to the beach.
You went to the beach. Give me a break. You know how many people go to the beach? You think they give a about the beach? Show your tits and shut the retard. As if anyone's clicking to talk about South Beach. Okay? South Beach? What is this immigrant talk? Shit. Man, they don't know what they're doing.